Hey everyone, I'm Harrison and I've just spent the last 10 days on my first solo trip in the Gold Coast, so come with me as I show you all my favourite activities I got up to while trying new foods and seeing the most breathtaking views I have ever seen, and I hope you enjoy. What is up guys, welcome back to my channel. It is day 3 of my solo trip to the Gold Coast and today we're going to SeaWorld, and I'm super excited for two main reasons, which is actually the two reasons why I wanted to come to the Gold Coast, which was to go to all the theme parks and then also to go to all the H2O Just Add Water filming locations. And fun fact, SeaWorld was actually like the main location that they used to film every single underwater shot, and also just a lot of scenes around the park as well, because that's where the main character Cleo she worked there. But I'm not gonna really include scenes of the theme park in this video because I'm actually gonna make a separate video going to all of the H2O Just Add Water filming locations. So if you want to watch it, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out if you want to watch that video, because I'll point out all of the locations around the Gold Coast, not just at SeaWorld, but I'll include everything I filmed at SeaWorld in that vlog. But this one I just want to mainly focus about the theme park, the rides, the attractions, the animals. There are a lot of sea animals there and shows. Yesterday when I was at Movie World, I didn't get to see any because I kind of was just too busy going on the rides, but I actually do want to see a lot of the show animals because they're pretty cool. So yeah, let's make our way there. It's only like a 15-minute bus ride, so let's just get going. The penguins were so cute. It was also really nicely air-conned in there, so it stayed there just a little bit longer because it's really hot today. And it doesn't look too busy as well, as Movie World was really busy, so that's good because that means I can go on all the rides many times without having to wait too long, and also look at the animals at the same time too. Before I show you my reaction on Leviathan, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is me. A few months back, I launched my own small business of phone cases, and you can buy the same design I was wearing in the Gold Coast, which looks like this, or any of my other designs I have on my website right now. And don't worry if they're not your style, as I also have custom cases too for not just iPhones, but also Samsung models as well. So be sure to check out my website right now, which is linked in the description, or scan the QR code on the screen, and follow all my social media platforms as I have new designs launching every few weeks, and you don't want to miss them. But anyways, back to the vlog. Holy shit. Oh my god. That was insane. That was so fast.
You have proven yourself a true guardian of Atlantis.
That was the fastest thing I've ever expected on a wooden coaster. Just went on the Leviathan. It was really fun, but I can honestly just describe it in 2 words. Super fast and also really bumpy. But yeah, now I'm dying of heat stroke, so I'm gonna go on probably the storm coaster, because you can get splashed at the end and it cool down. 3:04 now. I think I'm gonna make my way back to the dolphin area so I can get a good seat. Secure at a good spot where I can see all of the action. Dolphin Show was so cool and so amazing. But now we're in Castaway Bay where people on boats can try and hit us while we can try and hit them. Like that. Let's try and get some people. I think I've seen all the animals so far, and now I'm just going to go on maybe 2 or 3 more rides, give or take, seeing how long the line is. The lines are really short, honestly. I haven't waited longer than 10 minutes. So I think I might just go on the jet ski one, and then the water one, the storm coaster, that one, and then LEVIATHAN. That one is really bumpy, but it's also fast, so it's kind of fun. But before we do that, let's go into the area where I can touch the stingrays again. That was really cute. Love that ride, love it when it launches. I literally went on it like 6 times in a row because there's like no line. So once I got off, I just ran around and went back on it again. Anyways, I'm going to go on the storm coaster because I'm really hot again, so I need to cool down somehow. And I just went on the storm coaster 2 more times to cool down. And there's about 16 minutes left of the day, so I want to try and make it to that. Oh, I'm going to forget the name again. The Levy one last time before I go. So I didn't make it to Leviathan. Well, I did make it, but there was a weather warning, so they had to take us off the ride before they could send us through. And right as I got off, I just saw a massive strike of lightning, so that makes sense. But yeah, that's the end of the day now. Such a hot day, but such a long, fun day. So glad I got to go to all the H2O locations, which I'll put in a different video. And I'm so glad I got to see all the animal shows and go on all the rides. Alright guys, before I head to bed, I want to quickly give you a little review of SeaWorld today. As for the rides, there were only about 5 rides to go on. One of them was closed because of how windy it was today. Out of the other 4 rides I got to go on, I'll put them on the side of my screen in an order of favorite to least favorite, but honestly they were all really fun. As for the animals, they were so cool. I like how SeaWorld's like half a theme park and half a marine park, so that was really fun to see all these cool animals. I think my favorite part of the animals was definitely petting the stingrays. They're just so cute, and like, when am I ever going to get the opportunity to pet a stingray ever again? Like, seriously, like, that's so cool. But yeah, that was my little review of the day. If you liked this video, make sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really help my channel out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because I'll be posting some short form content over there over the next few weeks. And make sure to check out my small business yet again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at Whitewater World. Bye.